In this PyMuPDF tutorial, we are going to replace and delete images from a PDF document. First, let's make sure PyMuPDF is installed. Next, import the library and open the PDF document. The first step is getting the xref for the images we want to modify. We are going to use a for loop to check the objects referenced in the xref table. An if statement ensures that only images are selected. Once we get the list of xrefs for image objects, we can use the method extractImage to get the image's content and metadata. Two additional libraries are needed to allow images to be loaded and displayed. A Python dictionary is returned. It contains information about the extension, the dimensions, as well as the image content in binary format. Extracted images are then loaded and displayed. Once all images are displayed, we can get the xref values for the image we want to replace. The method replaceImage can now be used. It requires the image's xref value and the path to the new image file. Create the new PDF document using the method save. Here is the result. The image has been successfully replaced. You can delete an image using the method deleteImage. Only the image's xref value is needed. The image has been successfully deleted. Subscribe for more PyMuPDF tutorials.